Alright, we are back with another upcycled thrift store project, and today Raina and I just picked up these two different cutting boards. We're gonna have some fun with them. We're gonna probably use some resin, some collage, whatever we think of, and let's see what we do with this. Here we go!
Look how satisfying this is, guys.
That is so satisfying.
Don't you wish you could do this?
Don't you wish you could buy this from Raina? You can!
Well, it's gonna be sold out, sorry.
Sucks.
But you can pre-order yours now. Old and new. Babe, this is gonna look so sick.
I'm gonna get new blades. What should I do for the middle?
Legos.
Oh, wait, okay. What if I, like, cut it where, like, you know, like jaggedy to some of the Legos? Where it's not, like, a straight line?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Alright, well, here are our cutting boards. Wow, that was a cool project. It's always fun getting some random thing from the thrift store and seeing what you can do with it. Let me know if we made these cooler or not. If you like one better than the other, let me know in the comments below. And as always, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hold up now. Whoa. Wait a minute. Were you really about to just click off this video without liking or subscribing? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.